I have a fun dinosaur egg nightlight projector to share with you today. It's so neat. Like, it just looks like a dinosaur egg, but when you open it up, it has these different projector lenses that you can swap out. Like, there's a dinosaur one, and under the sea, and like a moon and stars. So when you want to use the projector, you take off the top that looks like the egg, and then you pick which one you want to use. So we'll just go with the under the sea. It does have a remote, so you can also do it with the remote, but then it also has the controls, and it does come with the cord to charge it and to plug it in. There's a protective film that you will pull off when you're ready to use, but then you just turn it on and you can select the mode because it plays music also. You can adjust the light color, see all the different color lights. So we're gonna do it where it's all the different lights. So I'm gonna turn off the light and I'll show you how it looks. Check that out. Isn't that neat? Look how vibrant the colors are. I'm gonna flip it up and let you see what it actually looks like on the ceiling, because this is the wall. So that's what it looks like on the ceiling. Look how big the animals look. I mean, I'm loving how vibrant the colors are. So if you're looking for a fun nightlight projector that plays music, or you can turn the music off, this is a great option. As you can see how great the quality of the lights were and the pictures. I mean, I thought that was pretty neat. Like I said, it does, let's turn that off. It does come with the one that I just showed you and the dinosaur one. And also the night, the moon, and the stars. So yeah, if you're looking for something that your kids will enjoy to play with and get to pick out which one they want to look at, and then it looks like a dinosaur egg when it's not being used, which you can also turn on and see the lights. It'll be shining through the cracks. Isn't that kind of neat? It's like the egg will be glowing. So, and then they can just play the music too. So I thought it was pretty neat. And like I said, it does come with the remote. Give me a minute and yeah, go check it out on Amazon and give your kids something that they'll enjoy.